Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to duplicate your project in Canva, and here I will show you two alternatives to do it. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you would like to duplicate this project, let's say, or just in case to maintain the original project into the copied or the duplicated file or project, because maybe there is the order from your leader, or just make it safer by duplicate it. So guys, you can do it in Canva, and here for example you can start to click file and click make a copy, and usually it will direct you into this section, and you'll see this is the title of the copied or the duplicated project we have. And if you go to this home page of your Canva, and also always make sure that your connection is good to see the updated over here or the updated project, you'll see this is the duplicated project we have now after we copy or make it into the duplication. So this will be the first alternative if you would like to make the duplicate project in Canva. And the another way to make it is it is way easier guys. So if you would like to select this project, and you will see the three dots in this project, you can click this, and after that you can click this make a copy, and kindly wait for the process, and this will be the another copied project we have in this homepage. So don't forget to try this alternative, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.